You can get paid $128 per day using this new earning app called TEMU. It is available worldwide, so you can make money from any part of the world. Also, it pays you through different payment methods like PayPal, and directly into your bank account, so, like this video. And let's start with the first step, which is to come over to TEMU.com. TEMU is one of the biggest websites online right now, and people are making money on TEMU every single day. I will leave a link to TEMU in the description of this video and the pinned comment. TEMU is an online shopping platform where you can buy high-quality stuff for a very cheap and reasonable price. And I will show you today how you can do the same for completely free and earn over $128 a day on TEMU. So the first step is to click on the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and come over to TEMU.com. Then, I want you to click on Get the TEMU app right here and install the TEMU mobile app on your Android or iOS device from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. So once you install the app, this is how the TEMU app icon will look like. So just open it from there. And if you are a new user to TEMU who has never downloaded the TEMU app nor made any orders on the TEMU website, it will show you a coupon bundle offer to spin and win up to $100 or $200 coupon bundle. So as you can see here, you can win $120 $15 coupon or a more chance to spin this wheel again. So to get the $100 or $200 coupon, we just need to click on the spin button right here and the wheel will start spinning. Now to stop this wheel, we need to click on the stop button and the wheel will stop slowly. As you can see, we got another chance to spin the wheel. So just click on this button again and the wheel will start spinning again. Press the stop button to stop the wheel whenever you feel right. And as you can see, I got the $100 or $200 coupon bundle jackpot. So now, first of all, to receive this new user $200 coupon, I need to sign up to TEMU using my Google account, Facebook account, or other options like email and phone number. So once you sign up to the TEMU app, this is how the interface of TEMU will look like. Here you can find a ton of products at a very cheap and reasonable price. And as you can see here, you find some hidden gifts to receive an extra bonus of coupon bundles. All you have to do is click on the grab for free button right here to receive it. So if I click on it, I received another coupon bundle bonus. Just like this, you can find many mystery hidden gifts that you can claim from here one by one, and you can get a good amount of coupon bundle bonuses to get items for free from TEMU. As you can see, I have collected $750 in coupon bundle bonuses on TEMU. To get this bonus, I just need to buy any 2 items of any amount from TEMU. After that, I can order items worth $750 from this coupon bundle list to my location for completely free. The items that are shown to me might be different from the items that TEMU will show you in the coupon bundle list, and the amount of coupons that you get might also differ because TEMU tries to show you the items that are mostly sold in your region or that are in high demand. So just place the order for any 2 items from this list, and you will get a coupon bundle to buy items worth anywhere from $100 to $1,000, just like I received a $750 coupon bonus. Step 2. Earning money with TEMU. To earn money with TEMU, I want you to come over to the TEMU website again. Scroll down to the bottom of the TEMU app, and here you will find the option of Affiliate and Influencer Earn Commission. Just click on that, and that's going to take you to the TEMU Affiliate Program page. But don't worry. It is not as hard to earn money with TEMU Affiliate as you might think, and I will be showing you the best traffic sources. Earn the affiliate commissions fast on TEMU. As you can see, people earning thousands of dollars every day from TEMU using the TEMU Affiliate program. And the good thing is that TEMU also pays you $2 gift for joining their affiliate program. With the TEMU Affiliate program, you can earn anywhere from $400 to thousands of dollars every day. There is no limit on how much you can earn from here. But for that, we need to set up a system that will earn us money. Here, you can earn up to 30% commission on the sale of a product from your affiliate link. So for example, if someone clicks on your link and buys an item worth $100 from TEMU, you're going to get $30 in affiliate commission for completely free. If they buy items worth $1,000, you're going to get $300 in affiliate commissions for completely free. And if you scroll a little bit, you can see affiliate extra rewards. So you are not only earning commissions, but they also give you awards and bonuses on top of that. So every 3 days they give $10,000 bonus to their top affiliates, and every week they give $3,000 bonus on top of the 3 days bonus to the team leaders based on the number of successful orders or activations they bring in. So every single week you have a chance to win these bonuses on top of the affiliate commissions that you will be earning. So all you want to do is to click on the Get Started button right here and just simply sign up using your email. One more thing, when you refer someone to TEMU, you will also earn a few bucks for that. If your referral downloads the TEMU app using your link and registers on it, your referral will also get a $100 or $200 coupon bundle bonus depending on the offers running on TEMU at that moment, and they will get a chance to get $0 items if they join through your affiliate link. You can mention that while promoting your TEMU affiliate link to your friends or family members, but today I will be showing you a great way to promote TEMU products and to earn affiliate. Now the step number 3, for example, you want to promote the iPhone phone cases, which are really easy to sell and always trending. What you want to do is to search for that in this search box, and you will be shown many different phone cases that you can promote from TEMU and earn up to 30% commission on every sale. So if you like these phone case designs from here, what you can do is just open it from there. And the good thing about TEMU is that almost all of the products on TEMU have these product videos over here which we can use to promote them and earn affiliate commissions. So if I click on it, you can see that it's an amazing video which we can use. And to download this video to your device, just right-click on it and open the video in a new tab from there. Now on the new tab, you just need to click on these 3 dots and press on download to download this video to your device just like this. There are a ton of images of iPhone phone cases that we can use to promote it. So just right-click on the images and click on Save Image as to save the image to your device. Once you download the videos and images for your product, next I want you to click on the share icon from here and copy the link for this product. Then come over to Google Docs and open a blank document from there. I want you to paste the product link in this document just like this. I want you to choose any 5 products to promote from TEMU and paste their links in this Google Docs. Now once you choose the 5 products to promote from TEMU and copy-paste their links to Google Docs, I want you to now copy their images from TEMU and paste them to your Google Docs. So our first product is the iPhone phone cases. So we will just copy-paste one of the images. This one is looking good, so I will just right-click on it, select copy image from there, come over to Google Docs again and just paste the image under the first link just like this. We will open the second link from Google Docs, and we will copy one of the best images for these wireless earbuds, and we will just paste it under the second link. And like this, I want you to copy-paste the images of the products one by one from TEMU to the Google Docs. Now I want you to come over to canva.com, and I want you to click on the custom size option from there. And I want you to enter the custom size that is going to be 1080 by 1920 and just press the Create New Design button from there. That's going to take you to this page where, first of all, I want you to click on the background of our design and select the background color option. From there, I want you to choose the black background for it. Then you want to click the Uploads option from the left and upload the products videos one by one. For the 5 products you want to promote from TEMU, once the video is uploaded, just click on that and it will be pasted on your template. Now I want you to adjust the video something like this so that it looks good. And now I want you to select the text option from the left and press the Add a Text box. Then in this box I want you to type Magic Phone Cases and I want you to increase the size of this text. Then I want you to make the text color white and bold. After that, click on the Effects option and select the background effect. From there, change the color of the text background to red and just drag your text to the top of the video. Now just copy-paste this text and drag the second text to the bottom of the video. Now change this text to the link in bio and boom. Your video is ready to promote the first product from TEMU and to earn affiliate commissions promoting it. And once you're done editing the video on Canva, just click on Share and press the download button to download the video to your device. Go to Pinterest.com, sign up and log in. Once logged in, your Pinterest account dashboard will appear. Click on your profile and update the name to something professional and niche related, like Tech and Gadgets Hub. A professional and relevant profile name builds credibility and attracts the right audience. Take inspiration from successful creators. For example, there's a creator on Pinterest who garners close to 1 million monthly views, promoting TEMU and other e-commerce products. She earns thousands of dollars monthly in affiliate commissions, and you can achieve similar results with consistent effort. Navigate to the Created section on your profile and select Create Pin. On the Upload page, add the videos you edited with Canva, one product at a time. Title. Copy the product title from TEMU and use it for your pin. Description. Use TEMU's product description directly or modify it slightly for uniqueness. Link. Paste the affiliate link from your TEMU account or a Google Docs file into the provided link section. Tags. Add relevant tags like iPhone cases, iPhone covers, or iPhone 16 Pro to improve discoverability. And your pin will go live on your Pinterest profile. Once your pins start gaining views, you'll see traffic flowing to your affiliate links. With time, this can lead to steady sales and affiliate commissions. By consistently uploading optimized pins and growing your Pinterest audience, you can earn up to $128 per day or more with TEMU. While this won't happen overnight, regular efforts can snowball into significant passive income over weeks and months. If you're ready to start, click the link in the description or pinned comment to join TEMU's affiliate program and begin earning today.